The Boeing F-15EX Eagle II represents a radical transformation of one of the most iconic fighter platforms in modern military aviation. While the F-15 series has been celebrated for decades as a fast, powerful, and reliable air superiority fighter, the Eagle II redefines the concept of a fourth-generation fighter in the digital era. Far from being a mere upgrade, the F-15EX is designed to serve as a central command and control node in the sky, capable of integrating seamlessly with manned and unmanned assets alike, and providing the United States Air Force with unprecedented flexibility in high-intensity, multi-domain operations. Its development reflects not just the evolution of airframes and engines, but a deliberate shift in how modern air power is conceived, emphasizing networked operations, survivability in contested environments, and the ability to coordinate complex battle networks. The lineage of the F-15 program stretches back to the mid-1970s with the F-15A, a pure air superiority fighter designed to counter emerging Soviet threats. Subsequent iterations like the F-15C and D introduced enhanced radar and avionics, while the F-15E Strike Eagle added dual-role strike capabilities and a second crew member to manage advanced targeting and weapons systems. Over the years, the F-15 series demonstrated remarkable adaptability across conflicts ranging from Desert Storm to operations in Afghanistan, proving itself capable of evolving alongside changing threats. Building on this legacy, the F-15EX is not a clean-sheet design but a modernized evolution intended to carry forward the platform's strengths into the era of digital warfare and integrated joint operations. The F-15EX introduces a range of features that distinguish it from earlier variants. Its advanced cockpit system features a large area display and an open mission architecture that supports software-defined upgrades and the rapid integration of new technologies. This enables the aircraft to remain operationally relevant over decades, even as electronic warfare systems, hypersonic weapons, and next-generation standoff munitions continue to advance. The aircraft is powered by F-110 GE-129 engines, offering superior thrust-to-weight performance and enabling it to carry up to 29,500 pounds of payload, the highest of any fighter in the U.S. Air Force inventory. The Eagle Passive Active Warning Survivability System provides a sophisticated electronic warfare suite, offering radar warning, jamming, and countermeasure capabilities to enhance survivability in highly contested airspace. Alongside these features, the F-15EX airframe is rated for 20,000 flight hours, significantly reducing long-term sustainment costs while offering unmatched flexibility for integrating new weapons and sensor packages. A key differentiator of the F-15EX is its digital backbone, which transforms it from a conventional fighter into a networked combat system capable of executing both offensive and command roles. Whereas earlier models like the F-15C were focused on air-to-air engagements and the F-15E on precision strikes, the F-15EX merges these roles while adding a command and control dimension. This enables the aircraft to operate alongside stealth fighters, unmanned aerial vehicles, and allied forces in coordinated formations. By acting as a network hub, the F-15EX provides both situational awareness and real-time coordination, allowing it to direct complex strike packages while simultaneously engaging threats itself. This ability to combine lethality with command and information dominance represents a fundamental shift in modern airpower philosophy. The rise of peer adversaries such as China and Russia, with their investment in electronic warfare, cyber capabilities, and long-range strike systems, has underscored the vulnerabilities of centralized command structures. Traditional fourth-generation fighters relied heavily on AWACS or ground-based command centers for coordination, creating potential single points of failure. The F-15EX addresses this challenge by embedding decision-making authority within a resilient airborne node. Its role in joint all-domain command and control allows it to distribute operational authority across a network of platforms, ensuring the joint force can operate effectively even if some nodes are compromised. By combining a high payload, extended range, and network systems, the Eagle II is uniquely positioned to sustain both offensive and command functions in a contested environment. The advanced cockpit of the F-15EX enables efficient division of labor between its two crew members. One pilot can focus on flying and weapons employment while the second handles incoming sensor data, directs unmanned assets, and synchronizes information across air, ground, and maritime forces. This setup allows for rapid processing and dissemination of battlefield intelligence, giving the U.S. Air Force a tempo advantage over adversaries. In manned-unmanned teaming scenarios, the F-15EX acts as the quarterback for loyal wingman drones and other unmanned combat aerial vehicles, directing them into high-risk areas while maintaining a safe distance. This approach maximizes strike effectiveness while minimizing risk to human operators, creating a force multiplier effect that extends the reach and lethality of the entire formation. The F-15EX also complements stealth platforms such as the F-35 or the forthcoming B-21 Raider. Stealth aircraft excel at penetrating heavily defended areas but are often constrained by payload limitations, range, and strict emissions control requirements. By contrast, the F-15EX is designed to operate as a visible yet heavily armed node within the aerial network. Its open mission architecture and high processing power enable continuous connectivity and data sharing across the joint force, allowing stealth platforms to operate without compromising their missions. The combination of stealth penetration and networked coordination provides the U.S. Air Force with a synergistic operational advantage, balancing survivability, firepower, and information dominance. Adaptability is another defining strength of the F-15EX. Its modular architecture allows rapid integration of new sensors, electronic warfare pods, and weapons systems at a pace that exceeds the development cycles of many fifth-generation platforms. This capability ensures that the aircraft remains relevant for decades, able to incorporate hypersonic weapons, directed energy systems, and other emerging technologies as they mature. Its large missile loadout, ability to carry oversized munitions, and long-range strike potential provide operational flexibility that few platforms can match, making it a versatile asset in both offensive and defensive missions. For U.S. allies, the F-15EX offers a compelling value proposition. Countries such as Israel, Japan, and Saudi Arabia, which already operate advanced F-15 variants, could integrate the Eagle II with minimal additional training or logistical burden. More broadly, the platform provides a cost-effective pathway to networked, high-capacity strike capabilities without reliance solely on fifth-generation fighters. In an era of budget constraints and rapidly evolving threats, the F-15EX allows Allied forces to achieve integrated operations, bridging the gap between legacy aircraft and future sixth-generation programs. Doctrinally, the adoption of the F-15EX underscores a shift in U.S. Air Force thinking. The future of air combat is not expected to hinge solely on stealth or next-generation dominance programs but on the ability to operate as part of an integrated, networked system. In this environment, survivability derives as much from information dominance, network resilience, and the ability to coordinate distributed forces as from radar cross-section reduction or speed. The F-15EX embodies this philosophy, providing both a lethal strike capability and the digital infrastructure necessary to command and synchronize joint forces across domains. Ultimately, the F-15EX Eagle II represents more than just an incremental upgrade of a legendary fighter, it is a redefinition of air combat for the 21st century. It combines the raw firepower and reliability that have made the F-15 iconic with the digital sophistication required to lead complex, multi-domain operations. By serving as a command and control node, coordinating unmanned systems, and integrating allied forces into networked operations, the Eagle II provides a decisive advantage in high-intensity conflict. Its ability to synchronize forces faster than the enemy can react may prove to be its most significant contribution, ensuring that the U.S. and its allies maintain operational superiority in an increasingly contested airspace. The F-15EX is not just a fighter jet, it is the centerpiece of modern, information-driven air power.